Photo. Important.
Guys, andyan na si Kitty. Oh, ayan na si Kitty, guys. Nakalabas na. Hi, ayan na si Kitty, guys.
Just to give a brief summary, first thing when we sat down, the first thing he did was compliment my duster because ayun, I didn't have time. I was quite sick. Actually, dun ako naghilamos sa loob actually. So he complimented my duster kasi it's the same one that I used to wear when we would sleep beside each other. So, thank you. So I think it kind of gave him a glimpse of home, you know, yung pambahay ko. And ayun, I was blabbing about family, of course, it's the same thing. And then biglang may langaw. So, hindi siya nakikinig sa akin. Yung huli niya yung langaw. Then, sabi ko, "Hoy, are you listening to me?" Sabi niya, he was distracted today because of the fly, apparently. But, towards the latter part of our conversation, he's happy to hear that the family is doing well, and of course he was checking up on me because I told him before coming here I had to run to the pharmacy to get some medication. Ayun, he said as long as I'm doing okay, he's fine. And I told him that all of you are waiting here today, so he sends his warm love and regards, of course. And then he says na no regrets and no apologies. He did what he could for his country. So, and then ayun, hi daw sa inyo. Latter part of our conversation, he's happy to hear that the family is doing well, and of course he was checking up on me because I told him before coming here I had to run to the pharmacy to get some medication. But ayun, he said as long as I'm doing okay, he's fine. And I told him that all of you are waiting here today, so he sends his warm love and regards, of course. And then he says na no regrets and no apologies. He did what he could for his country. So, and then ayun, hi daw sa inyo. Sabi ko, do you want to say something? Because all of them, they wait outside for you every day. So, ayun, hello, and his love and gratitude, and ayun, yung message.
Now, can you accommodate the first timers at least for pictures? The first timers.
Can we do it?
Yeah. First timers. Go.
How is his health? Okay.
His health is okay. He's eating.
This is where they're gonna exit. Just come.
He ate before I visited, but I also brought him a few snacks again.
Yeah, Doritos. Okay, yan na ba yung picture mo? Okay, ready, set, go.
Kit, were you able to talk about Kadayawan?
Yes, I was able to mention. Then sabi ko, malungkot yung Davao, walang prutas. Kasi wala ka. Then hila.
Okay. Thank you, Kit.
Thank you.
Next.
Yeah, I can take a photo. Thank
Yeah, and
you.
then make it sign.
Uy, bakit nawala?
Yeah, I'll go around. Sorry.
Oh, wait, siya muna. Sige, siya muna. Okay, go. 1, 2, wait, kayo na. 1. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next.
Hi, Kenny.
Nakasag kayo na ni? Ibang ko vlogger.
Next.
Di masad ko. Update rin. Martina Fora. Martina Fora. Tina Fora.
Sino pang first timers?
No, Martina, it's only for first timers, ha? Not every day, ha? Not every day.
First timers. Okay, camera mo. 1, 2, 3.
Martina, smile. Martina, smile. Martina. Aww. Martina, smile. Yes.
Go, one more time.
Hi.
Ay, ka-cute. Martina.
No?
Okay, wala nang first timer? Sige, go, go, go.
Monica down. Monica, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Okay, go. Okay. 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 Last dalawang first timers, no? Okay. Okay na. Okay na. Ma'am, sir. Go, go. Sino ang kumukuha?
Spoke. May papasainan yung mga bata.
Okay. Okay. Next. Everyone, wala nang first timers? Okay. Sign the
Yung sa likod ate.
Monica.
Sa likod ate. Hindi ba first time? Ha? Hindi ba first time yung sa likod?
Doolin na lang, Alvin.
Okay, group picture. Ayan, Ilang tatlo.
Okay, picture. 1, 2, 3.
Fortina. Every day, no eh. Come here.
Pretty, the pretty ones. Oh, one group picture because she's not.
Dito
Come on, dito ka na.
Actually, no.
No more.
My dad kasi requested to buy him something.
Okay.
Sige, mag-picture yung group
Yung
na
group.
lang.
Okay, group na lang.
Pili siya,
Oo,
kaya
here. Here, dito ka na
Can you
humarap.
hold?
Dito ka na humarap.
It's from Ate Hearty.
Ready?
It's update.
Ako na to.
Set.
Charot ka, ikaw exciron ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Pagani?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One last na lang, Titi, kasi merong celebrate ang birthday for Nadine.
Happy birthday, Lucky Charm.
Happy birthday, Lucky Charm. God bless you and I hope
Martina.
to see you.
Yeah.
Ito siya.
Tuktukon ko ana nila dili ko makain.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am Kitty,
Naghahanap okay.
naghahanap ni Dada mo si Mama.
Oo, ano yung sabi niya? Kasi sabi ko, anong mensahe mo kay Mama? Sabi niya na my only woman for eternity daw.
Very good.
Maybe a remembrance because this is not waterproof. It will come out and we'll probably laminate it first. Put some protection. But yeah, we will put there for.
Thank you. Oh, from Siron.
Oh, sorry.
Oh wait, si Siron. Let him have a picture. Wow, Siron, ha? Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Kitty. Bye-bye.